In this video we want to show you instant noodles from Kellogg's. Like the packaging is already telling, it should taste great. This one got bought in a supermarket in Egypt. This one tastes like beef stock. You can get this instant noodle soup in 2 different flavors. There is chicken or beef. We normally know Kellogg's as a manufacturer for breakfast products like corn flakes and cereals. But in Asian countries they eat also soup for breakfast very often. Maybe that's why Kellogg's is trying to sell instant noodle soups, too. Let's enjoy this without talking in autonomous sensory meridian response, or short, ASMR. Feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.